Welcome back to the Pharmacy Discussion. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഒരു റിവിഷൻ ടെസ്റ്റാണ് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫോർ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എക്സാം 2020. സിലബസ് അനുസരിച്ച് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, let's check out the instructions. Time 38 minutes and maximum marks 50. Then each correct answer carries 1 marks and for an incorrect answer 1/3 mark will be deducted. And no negative mark for unattended questions. Now you can write the answers with me. First question, bioavailability refers to the relative amount of drug that reaches the option A, small intestine, B, duodenum, C, systemic circulation, and D, liver. Answer option C, systemic circulation. Question number 2. Antidote for iron poisoning is option A, flumazenil, B, pralidoxim, C, deferoxamine, and D, atropine. Answer option C, deferoxamine. Question number 3. Clofazimine is classified as option A, anti-epileptic, B, anti-neoplastic, C, leprostatic, and D, analgesic. Correct answer option C, leprostatic. Question number 4. Antidote for methanol is option A, ethanol, B, butanol, C, disulfiram, and D, flumazenil. Answer option A, ethanol. Question number 5. Antidote for cyanide poisoning is option A, sodium benzoate, option B, sodium bromide, option C, sodium citrate, and option D, sodium thiosulfate. Correct answer option D, sodium thiosulfate. Next question, question number 6. Sulfonamide category drug used to treat eye infections. Option A, sulfadiazine, option B, sulfadimidine, option C, sulfacetamide, and option D, sulfafurazole. Correct answer option C, sulfacetamide. Question number 7. Egg yolk is used as option A, suspending agent, B, emulsifying agent, C, binder, and D, preservative. Correct answer option B, emulsifying agent. Question number 8. H2 receptor antagonist to treat ulcer is option A, famotidine, option B, pantoprazole, C, misoprostol, and D, magaltrate. Correct answer option A, famotidine. Question number 9. Lasix and Kinex are the trade name for option A, polythiazide, B, ethacrenic acid, C, furosemide, and D, bumetanide. Answer option C, furosemide. Question number 10. A substance that kills microorganisms but not bacterial spores is generally defined as option A, germicide, B, bactericide, C, sterility, and D, antiseptic. Correct answer option A, germicide. Question number 11. Schedule C as per the Drugs and Cosmetics Act deals with the following. Option A, standards for cosmetics. B, biological and special products. Option C, life period of drugs. And option D, generic drugs. Answer option B, biological and special products. Question number 12. The most suitable route for administration of insulin. Option A, intramuscular. Option B, intravenous. Option C, subcutaneous. And option D, intravenous bolus. Correct answer option C, subcutaneous. Question number 13. Non-sedative antihistamine is option A, cetirizine. Option B, diphenhydramine. C, clemastine. And D, chlorpheniramine. Correct answer option A, cetirizine. Question number 14. Lignified trichomes are present in option A, lobelia. Option B, puchu. Option C, mint leaves. And option D, nux vomica. Correct answer option D, nux vomica. Question number 15. Uneven distribution of color on the surface of the tablet is known as option A, chipping. Option B, lamination. Option C, mottling. And option D, capping. Correct answer option C, mottling. Question number 16. Deficiency of iron normally causes dash anemia. Option A, aplastic anemia. Option B, pernicious anemia. Option C, hyperchromic anemia. And option D, hypochromic anemia. Correct answer option D, hypochromic anemia. Question number 17. Gray baby syndrome is reported with option A, tetracycline. Option B, chloramphenicol. Option C, doxycycline. And option D, chlortetracycline. Correct answer option B, chloramphenicol. Question number 18. Advertisement of prescription drugs are meant for option A, retailer. Option B, patient. Option C, distributor. And option D, physician. Correct answer option D, physician. Next question, question number 19. Form number for retail sale of Schedule C and C1 drug. Correct answer option A, form number 21. Question number 20. Quality assurance test for parenteral solution. Option A, pyrogen test. Option B, sterility test. Option C, particulate evaluation test. And option D, all. Correct answer option D, all. Question number 21. An acid resistant penicillin is option A, methicillin. Option B, cloxacillin. Option C, dicloxacillin. And option D, penicillin V. Correct answer option D, penicillin V. Question number 22. Neostigmine bromide is used to treat option A, rheumatic fever, option B, rheumatoid arthritis, option C, myasthenia gravis, and option D, Graves' disease. Correct answer option C, myasthenia gravis. Question number 23. Daily adult dose of INH is option A 100 mg, B 200 mg, option C 300 mg, and option D 400 mg. Correct answer option C 300 mg. Question number 24. The HLP system used to classify option A colors, B flavors, C perfumes, and option D surfactants. Correct answer option D surfactants. Question number 25. Normal renal creatinine clearance value lies between option A 10 to 20 ml per minute, option B 30 to 60 ml per minute, option C 80 to 120 ml per minute, and option D 100 to 200 ml per minute. Correct answer option C 80 to 120 ml per minute. Then question number 26. Enteric-coated tablets disintegrated in option A mouth, B stomach, C intestine, and D none of these. Correct answer option C intestine. Question number 27. Antigens belong to option A schedule C, option B schedule C1, option C schedule G, and option D schedule H. Correct answer option A schedule C. Question number 28. Embolica officinalis is the botanical name of option A Punarnava, B turmeric, option C amla, and option D tulsi. Correct answer option C amla. Question number 29. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of option A iron, option B zinc, option C copper, and option D iodine. Correct answer option D iodine. Question number 30. Polysaccharide present in liver is option A starch, B lactose, C glucose, and option D glycogen. Correct answer option D glycogen. Question number 31. Aldosterone regulates option A blood sugar, option B serum calcium, option C urine concentration, and option D sodium absorption. Correct answer option C urine concentration. Question number 22. Mandex test is used for diagnosis of option A typhoid, B TB, C leprosy, and D diphtheria. Correct answer option B, TB. Question number 23. Anti-diabetic drug is option A, Gymnema, option B, Neem, option C, Ashwagandha, and option D, Colchicum. Correct answer option A, Gymnema. Bleomycin belong to the schedule option A, Schedule C, option B, Schedule C1, option C, Schedule G, option D, Schedule H. Answer option C, Schedule G. Question number 25. Tetracycline should not be administered with which of the following beverages? Option A, water, option B, milk, C, orange juice, and D, apple juice. Correct answer option B, milk. Question number 26. Phenytoin sodium is used as an option A, antihypertensive agent, option B, anti-ulcer drug, option C, anti-malarial, and option D, anticonvulsant. Correct answer option D, anticonvulsant. Question number 37. Spironolactone is classified as option A, loop diuretic, option B, steroidal diuretic, option C, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, then option D, osmotic diuretic. Correct answer option B, steroidal diuretic. Question number 38. The person in charge of a state drug laboratory is option A, drug controller, B, DMS, option C, drug inspector, and option D, government analyst. Correct answer is option D, government analyst. Question number 39. A direct smooth muscle relaxant used in hypertension is option A, papaverine, option B, pralidoxim, option C, physostigmine, and option D, pilocarpine. Correct answer is option A, papaverine. Question number 40. Procaine penicillin G plus propanacid. This type of combined drug effect is called option A, addition, B, synergism, C, potentiation, and D, antagonism. Correct answer is option C, potentiation. Question number 41. All the following are freeze-dried vaccines except option A, BCG, option B, yellow fever, C, DPT, and option D, measles. Correct answer is option C, DTP. Question number 42. Potent loop diuretic is option A, furosemide, option B, aminophylline, option C, hydrochlorothiazide, and option D, metasolone. Correct answer is option A, furosemide. Question number 43. Lanoxin is a brand name of option A, digitoxin, option B, digoxin, option C, gitoxin, and option D, Lanatoside C. Correct answer is option B, digoxin. Question number 44. Drugs used in epilepsy are classified as option A, analeptic, option B, anticonvulsant, option C, antidepressant, and option D, sedative. Correct answer is option B, anticonvulsant. Question number 45. Which of the following drug is an ACE inhibitor? Option A, metoprolol, B, diltiazem, C, lisinopril, and D, clonidine. Correct answer is option C, lisinopril. Question number 46. Silver nitrate is stored in a option A, clean dry white bottle, option B, lead free white bottle, option C, ambered color bottle, and option D, neutral glass bottle. Correct answer is option C, amber color bottle. Question number 47. Oxidation is defined as option A, loss of electrons, option B, loss of hydrogens, option C, addition of oxygen, and option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 48. A proton pump inhibitor used in duodenal ulcer is option A, sucralfate, option B, lansoprazole, option C, tripotassium dicitrato-bismuthate, option D, gelusil. Correct answer is option B, lansoprazole. Question number 49. Carbimazole is an option A, male sex hormone, option B, antacid, option C, antimalarial, and option D, antithyroid drug. Correct answer is option D, antithyroid drug. Question number 50. The antidiuretic hormone is secreted from option A, adrenal cortex, option B, adrenal medulla, option C, anterior pituitary, and option D, posterior pituitary. Correct answer is option D, posterior pituitary. Okay, then ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുകയാണ്. റിവിഷൻ ടെസ്റ്റ് ഹെൽപ്ഫുള്ളായി എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. മാർക്ക് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായി മറക്കരുത്. പ്ലീസ് ഷെയർ ദ വീഡിയോ വിത്ത് യുവർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.